Hi, super scientist. It's Mrs. Knippenberg. And guess what? I am here to tell you some really exciting news. I just got home from a walk and I walked over to the butterfly cage just to check on our chrysalises. And I have to show you what happened. It's so cool. We have butterflies. We have painted lady butterflies. And I don't know if you can see. I want to be really careful. Oh, there's one right there. You can kind of see his wings. Look at how beautiful. His wings are kind of orange and white and brown. And right now, 3 butterflies have hatched from their chrysalises. But it says I have to wait 2 to 3 hours to let their wings dry before I can feed them. But I didn't want you to miss out on this really exciting moment of our butterflies hatching out of the chrysalises. There are still 2 chrysalises, but they look like they might almost be ready to come out too. Once they're all out in an hour or so, I'm going to make a video of me feeding them. So I'll be back in a little while to show you the next video of me feeding them. And then in a little while, we'll probably be able to release them. So I'm super excited that you got to see them with me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll be back again to show you.